to sign into your account via the TeamViewer Mobile App. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure you download TeamViewer Remote application on mobile app. Then open the app and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find settings on top right corner of your screen. Click on Setting, which is located on top right corner of your screen. Click on Sign In or Sign Up. Then sign in to your account. Add your email. Then add your password. After adding your password, click on Sign In and you're signed into your account. You can also save password to Google by clicking on Save or Never Do Not Save. And that's how you sign into your account via the TeamViewer mobile app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.